is Pakistan? Pakistan is a home to the famous second highest mountain of the earth, K2, and also many beautiful natural places and many historical artifacts. So, today we're gonna talk about Pakistan and India. After the end of World War II, the British decided to leave subcontinent and give the hold of the government to Hindus. But Muslims of the subcontinent did not agree to it and started to fight for their freedom because Hindus did a lot of violence against them. At the end of 1930s, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal presented the idea for a separate homeland for Muslims, which was Pakistan, and Quaid-e-Azam started struggling for it. The story begins in 1686, when the subcontinent was part of Mughal Empire. The East India Company, which was a private British company at that time, attacked the Mughal Empire when Aurangzeb Alamgir and badly defeated by them, but Aurangzeb forgave them. East India Company was biggest British company at that time because King Charles II gave them strong rights like conquering lands or establishing armies, etc. On March 3, 1707, Aurangzeb died and the Mughal rule on the subcontinent became unstable. And in 1858, East India Company again attacked the Mughal Empire and gained the control. In the British rule, Hindus were the greatest majority and Muslims were the greatest minority. So Hindus started a lot of violence against Muslims. As a result, at the end of 1930s, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal presented the idea of Pakistan in his famous Allahabad speech, and Quaid-e-Azam made All India Muslim League to achieve that goal. After that, he did a lot of famous things like his 14 points and two nation theory, etc. In 1945, after the end of World War II, the leader of Hindus, Mahatma Gandhi, demanded the united India from British, but Muslims opposed that idea. So British left their viceroy, Lord Mountbatten, to equally distribute the land between the both nations and left the subcontinent. Finally, on 14th August 1947, Pakistan appeared on world map as East Pakistan and West Pakistan.
Let me make it very clear to you, and leave no doubt, that the state language of Pakistan is going to be Urdu and no other language. And anyone who tries to mislead you is really the enemy of Pakistan. Without a state language, no nation can remain tied up solidly together and work together. Look at the history. Every government has got to have some state language. Therefore, so far as the state language is concerned, Pakistan's state language shall be Urdu.
14 अगस्त 1947 ये रेडियो पाकिस्तान लाहौर है। आपको पाकिस्तान मुबारक।
इस मुल्क पाकिस्तान में अपनी अपनी इबादत गाहों, मस्जिदों या मंदिरों में जाने के लिए आपका मजहब क्या है, जात क्या है, कौम क्या है, इसका हुकूमत के मामलात से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं।
After that, a mass migration of Muslims from Indian land to Pakistani land occurred.
Fanaticism, the history's greatest exodus.
After that, Quaid-e-Azam became the first Governor General of Pakistan, and Liaquat Ali Khan became the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. After the independence, Quaid-e-Azam was diagnosed by tuberculosis. Unfortunately, 1 year after independence, on September 11, 1948, Mr. Jinnah died, and he is buried in Karachi. In 1971, East Pakistan got independence from Pakistan due to mismanagement. In conclusion, there were 3 or 2 princely states in subcontinent which later unified to make Pakistan and India.